Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the remarkable life of Nelson Mandela and his tireless fight against apartheid in South Africa. Get ready for an inspiring journey of courage, sacrifice and ultimate triumph. First, let's set the stage. The year is 1948 and South Africa is under the grip of apartheid, a brutal system of racial segregation and discrimination. Black South Africans were stripped of their rights, forced into poverty and had no voice in their own country. Enter Nelson Mandela. Born in 1918 in the tiny village of Mvezo, Mandela was destined to become a beacon of hope. He was a lawyer by profession, but justice was his true calling. In 1944, Mandela joined the African National Congress, or ANC, a political party fighting for the rights of black South Africans. Mandela quickly rose through the ranks, but his activism came at a cost. In 1961, he co-founded the militant wing of the ANC, Umkhonto weSizwe, which means Spear of the Nation, their goal to sabotage government installations and disrupt the apartheid regime. But in 1962, Mandela was arrested and sentenced to life in prison. He spent 27 long years behind bars, mostly on Robben Island. Yet, even in confinement, Mandela's spirit remained unbroken. He became a symbol of resistance, inspiring millions around the globe. Then came the turning point. In the late 1980s, international pressure and internal unrest forced the South African government to reconsider its stance. In 1990, Nelson Mandela was finally released. But the story doesn't end there. Mandela's release was just the beginning. He continued to fight, now with a focus on peace and reconciliation. In 1994, South Africa held its first multiracial elections and Mandela was elected the country's first black president. In his presidency, Mandela worked tirelessly to heal the nation's wounds, promoting forgiveness and unity. His leadership helped guide South Africa from the darkness of apartheid into a new era of hope and possibility. Mandela's legacy is a powerful reminder that even in the face of overwhelming adversity, one person can make a difference. His story inspires us to stand up for justice, to fight for what's right, and to never lose hope. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fascinating historical stories. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.